Here's a quick look at Pic Plane, which is a new iOS augmented reality photography app. Now, the unique thing about Pic Plane is how you capture images. So instead of just capturing what you see, you actually place these photographic planes in the world and then capture what the plane is seeing or your view of the plane. So I'm going to go in here, and I'm currently placing a photographic plane. I'll just place it somewhere like here. And this is actually a plane in 3D space here, so it's in augmented reality. It's kind of just floating there in space. Now I'm going to go and line up a shot that I like using this plane. So let's just get something like this and then tap the photo button. And what has happened now is that the image has actually been saved to that plane from my current perspective, or from my perspective where I captured that image. So if I go back to the original perspective, it should kind of perfectly blend in here. But as soon as I start moving around like this, you can see that the image is actually floating in space. So this opens up some interesting creative possibilities because you can start doing things like playing around with perspectives. So let me go in here, and I'm going to go and manipulate this plane. So I'll just rotate it here. I'm going to scale it up and then also increase the angle here, just like this. And then I'm going to go capture another image. And again, when I first captured it, it looks perfectly normal. But what you can see is that when I actually back up and when I view this plane head on, so let me go and rotate it to view head on here, you can see how distorted it actually is. So you get this cool perspective distortion going in here because I captured it from that heavy angle. So there's some fun creative possibilities here. You can also use Pic Plane to put together little simple special effects. So I can go and place another plane here. And I'm going to go and capture my hand. So I'll do a nice thumbs up here. So I have two images floating in space, and now I can actually, because my phone has a LiDAR sensor, I'm going to go enable depth masking so that just my hand is floating in space, and then I'm going to go adjust the image here to be monochrome, so black and white. So I have this little fun collage going here with my floating hand in space, and I was able to put that together very easily. I think Pic Plane has some fun creative options. You can go and export the images here, so I could say export plane images and go actually export the image after I've captured it. And you can, of course, also take screenshots and videos here. So I could just go and take a nice screenshot like that and then share that with whoever I want. So Pic Plane is available in the App Store now. I think, like I said, it's a new and interesting take on photography and augmented reality. So definitely give it a try, and be sure to share anything cool you create. Thanks.